the same which you have created. Click on Members. So here you can see saved accounts, account versions from the last 7 days. Yeah. Now click on Add Same button. On the right hand side you have Add Set button. Yeah, so here you can see, while creating save, it will ask for safe name description. And after that you have to radio buttons. Save the last 5 account versions. Save account versions from the last 7 days. So in case, if you select the Save the last 5 account version, then it will store only last 5 password versions. So from last 7 days. In case password got changed it for 20 times, then all the 20 lessons will be stored. OK. And assign it to CP. So in case, in your real time, if you have multiple CPMs, then you can select that particular CPM name. So just keep on that CPM assigned to CPM drop down. You can see None and Password Manager. So in case if you don't want to rotate the password of the accounts which were onboarded into that safe, you can select the None. Then CPM user will not be assigned to that safe and password rotation will not happen to the accounts which were onboarded into that safe. OK. Click on Cancel. OK. Now go to Account step and onboard the other account which you have created user to without password and associate the reconciliation account to that account and trigger reconciliation. And you can see, password will be generated and stored. Yes. Yes. I would not choose anything. Right. Don't enter anything. Just click on Save button. Here we will associate. Yeah. Associate that. Yeah. Before clicking on the reconcile, just click on Show button and you can see empty. OK. There is no password for this account. So in case, if you click on Connect button also, it will trigger a message like some pop-up kind of thing. It is unable to log into the target server and before clicking on Reconcile. Just click on Verify and see the error message. What you are getting. Verify will not be successful because there is no password in the world for this account. So it is unable to log into the target server. Yeah. Now click on Refresh or restart the service. Lock. Yeah, you got. The password is incorrect. Okay. It is unable to log into the target server to verify the password. Either it may be incorrect username or incorrect password. Now click on Reconcile. So in this scenario, in case, if you click on Change also, it will not work because password is not in between the target and involved. So change also will not happen. Only change will happen if the password is in sync between the vault and in the target for this particular, but change could be still updated. Change by vault right. Change by vault. We can update, but manually. We need to enter the password. Right. Again, that is a risk only for particular use cases. We need to update the password only in vault. Now restart the service and see. Success. Scheduled. Check. Yep. Yep. The password got updated for this particular account in the target and the same password was updated in the vault. Okay. So you have updated one password while creating that account. Right. In case, if you want to try to log in using that password to the AD server, it will not work because that password got changed by that particular account password. We will be rotated by the CPU. So that new password has updated in the target and in the vault. I can't run this command. Maybe I logged in as a local account. Password. Last set. 1 minute ago. It's 10 days. Last password. It's fine. I'll change OK. So come back and show TST. So these three are the activities performed by the CPU. Now log out with administrator and log in with some user 1. You will not be able to see these accounts which you have onboarded using admin. So before moving to that part, so we have some recording safe. Right. So log into private R client and check now. Here's some recording, safe code created or not, because we have enabled APSM in the master policy and we have onboarded one account and we logged into the tech using that account. Also, right now I'm going to private R client and CPSM recording separate. PSM live session.